In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an email signature in the Spark app. Before we begin, make sure you have the Spark app installed and you're signed into your email account. This process is quick and you can update your signature anytime without digging through complicated menus. Start by opening the Spark app on your device. On the main screen, look to the very top left corner for the three horizontal lines. This is the menu icon, sometimes called the hamburger menu. Tap it to open Spark's main navigation panel. At the bottom left of that panel, you'll see Settings. Go ahead and tap Settings to open your app preferences. This is where Spark groups most of the common options you'll adjust from time to time. Inside Settings, scroll to the General section and tap Signatures. This is your central hub for creating, editing, and managing the text that appears automatically at the end of your emails. If you're setting this up for the first time, tap Add Signature. If you already have a signature in place and want to revise it, simply select the existing one to open it. Either way, Spark will bring you to an editor where you can type or update your signature text. Now type the signature you want to use. Keep it professional, clear, and concise. A simple structure works best: your name, your role or organization, and a short set of contact details or a link to a website or portfolio. If you prefer, you can add a friendly sign-off line to give your messages a personal touch. Aim for readability over decoration. Too many lines, emojis, or lengthy disclaimers can distract from your message. If you copy text from elsewhere, make sure the formatting looks clean in this editor so it appears consistent in your emails. When you're satisfied with how it looks, you don't need to hunt for a save button. Spark saves your changes automatically. Simply go back to the previous page and your signature will be stored. That's all there is to it. From now on, when you compose an email in Spark, the app will insert your selected signature so you don't have to add it manually each time. If you decide later that you want a different tone for personal versus professional messages, you can return to the same signature screen to add another option or update your text using the exact same steps. And that's how to create or edit your email signature in the Spark app, quickly and confidently. Thanks for watching and happy emailing.